Do you guys know what I've got here? Of course you do. I have the Xbox stereo headset by Microsoft. These are brand new, but they didn't release this year. To be precise, they released back in October 25th, 2016. I'm super excited to open this. I love the color, and I think it's gonna go really nicely with my black Xbox Series X. So in the box, you get the headset and you also get the adapter. Okay, so without further ado, let's start the unboxing. I need a knife. Flip this way and try and open it the proper way. Okay, so you've got the headset here. We'll put this to one side. And so there's not much here. Got the form where the headset sit. So you got USB-A to micro USB cable, and then this is the adapter that you get with it. I'm gonna get back to these two things in a moment. I'm not really keen on the packaging. It kind of looks like it's definitely like an Apple standard packaging, but let's open this up. Okay, so right off the bat, they are flexible and the sponge here is quite soft. They look decent. So these aren't wireless. You got a cable that goes into the adapter, or this can go straight into your Xbox controller, and that's it. It feels cheap. It doesn't feel like high quality. These are a $29.99 stereo headset anyway, so I don't expect them to be built from a high quality material. So on the left here, you have the mic, comes all the way down. That's pretty cool, and it clicks back in. So that's pretty good design. This is the adapter that you'll get with it. On the right hand side, you have the plus and the minus. That's to increase and decrease the volume, mute yourself. And then you have a controller with a plus sign and a person with a plus sign. And this will fit directly into your controller. And at the bottom, you have the auxiliary input, and that cable from the headset would go in here, and you're able to control all these functions directly from your headset rather than going into the Xbox menu. As far as I know, these are compatible with Xbox One, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, and Xbox One X. So it's compatible with most generations of Xbox, and they look decent to enjoy and talk with your friends online when you're playing any multiplayer co-op games. So you can hear the bass, you can hear the different sound, but it's obviously stereo speakers. It's not 3D audio, so it's not, you can't distinguish exactly where the sound's coming from. I think it would be very difficult if you're playing Call of Duty or like Gears of War to identify where someone's coming from, but you kind of hear the sound. Like in this Need for Speed, you can hear the cars coming from one end to the other. You can hear that. There's a bunch of stereo headset out there that are probably a lot better than this one, or you can always spend hundreds of pounds and get some really nice headset which are 3D audio. You get spatial sound and stuff like that. To be honest, these are top notch. I think these are great. Should you buy them in 2020? I'd say yeah, go for it. And at the moment, I got it in offer for $29.99. Normally these are $59.99. If you recently bought an Xbox Series X, I'd say go and pick these up if you need it. You get the adapter. I think this is the most important bit here. Other than that, you can plug in any other headset you want. So yeah guys, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a quick review, quick unboxing, just because I've got the Series X. I wanted to kind of unbox this headset and kind of just show it off. But yeah, if you're looking to get a headset, I'd say go for this one. You won't regret it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button.